Alright, doing a quick video for this Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner. So it's pretty easy. Just find whatever your OBD port is, plug it in. It'll get power from it and turn on. And then, I gotta remember how to use this. So I just hit system status. Then you just scroll down, whatever module you want to do. I was going to do all module scan. Hit yes. And give it a little bit for it to scan. I guess in the meantime, while it's scanning, so I got this because I kept getting a check engine light, which turned out to be, I don't know if it was just from where I'm at to get to work. I'm only driving like 25 or less, so it was sitting there, what was it, like a high fuel thing in the back. So I would just sit there and use it to be able to clear the code / try to figure out what's wrong with it. But I think it's pretty much gone away now. I think I was just driving too slow because anytime I went anywhere further, it worked better. But I mean, this has been handy. Hooked up to a couple other people's cars to check, see what codes they had, and help them figure out what the issue was. So it's been pretty helpful. And it's been pretty easy to use too. I hadn't used everything that's on it because, like, the live data stuff, I haven't even bothered to mess with yet. Okay, hopefully it finishes here in a second. Probably should have just did a smaller module. Okay, come on. Alright. Then you just scan through, see what codes popped up. Okay. Well, I guess I got something to go check out later. But yeah. Definitely good buy. I mean, you can get like cheaper ones too, but if you want a good one, this is pretty good. You can also link it up with the app and use it on your phone. And it can sit there and give you like service info and help you actually with the codes better. I got to re-download it and link it. But yeah.